RDDT Stock Analysis Price Predictions News. In this 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I am the only guy in this space that done 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. And because I've seen the proof and all that, I have the data. I've seen the proof what's making money and what's not for me, because I have the data. And I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. Now, I'm not saying this in a way to tell you, okay, do this, do that. No, I'm just kind of showing you what I've actually used and what's worked for me. And with Reddit, I started buying this thing low, like very low. Now it's $202. I began buying it when it was like 109. It's like 4 months ago. Just phenomenal. And then now we're in this demand zone, so kind of sick. But unironically, like, just do this way. Only if I saw a double break, I was looking to take things up. Right, and I'm still sticking to it, but unless rules are met, that I'm not buying. So if you want to stay tuned, if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.